Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you enable background app refresh on your iPhone. So let's get started. Go to home screen of your iPhone and open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on general. Here you will find the option of background app refresh. Click on it. Now on the top of screen you will see background app refresh. Tap on it. Now you can enable the background app refresh on Wi-Fi and cellular both. You can select it according to you. Let's select Wi-Fi only. Now if you prefer to customize which apps can refresh in the background, go back and you will see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone along with switches next to each one. To allow an individual app to refresh in background, toggle the switch and the switch should turn green. Now this app can refresh in background. Or to prevent an app from refreshing in background, toggle the switch next to it to left and the switch should turn gray. Once you have made your selections, you can exit the settings app and changes will be saved. Keep in mind that enabling background app refresh for too many apps can affect your iPhone's battery life, so it's good idea to only allow it for apps that you truly want to receive updates in background. Thank you everyone.